Imagine a company with no boss, no CEO, no one standing over you saying, "Do your job." Sounds like chaos, right? Like a bunch of stickmen running around waving papers in the air? Well, welcome to the world of DAOs, Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, where chaos somehow works, thanks to blockchain magic. What is a DAO? Okay, let's break it down. A DAO is basically a community-run organization. Everyone has a say, but instead of humans enforcing rules, smart contracts do it automatically. Think of smart contracts as robot referees. They never sleep, never cheat, and they definitely don't drink your office coffee. All the rules are written in code on the blockchain, so no sneaky office politics or backroom deals. If a decision passes, the code executes it instantly. It's like democracy, with superpowers. How DAOs work. Step 1. Proposals. Any member can suggest something, maybe funding a new project, buying a rare NFT, or even changing the rules of the DAO. Stickman Alex here submits his brilliant idea into the digital ballot box. Other members see it and think, yes, this is genius, or nope, Alex, you're crazy. Step 2. Voting. Next comes voting. Members cast their votes using DAO tokens. One token usually equals one vote, so the more tokens you have, the bigger your influence. It's like having more votes in a school election, but instead of prom king, you're deciding where millions of digital dollars go. And don't worry, every vote is recorded on the blockchain, fully transparent, tamper-proof, and visible to everyone, so no funny business. The results are fair and clear. Step 3. Execution. After voting ends, the magic happens. The smart contract automatically executes the winning proposal. No emails, no meetings, no confused CEOs running around with papers. Funds are transferred, rules are updated, projects are launched, all without a single human boss touching a button. It's like pressing go and watching the community's decision unfold instantly. Why DAOs are different. Why is this so revolutionary? Traditional companies rely on hierarchy, bosses, managers, middle managers, all approving things slowly and sometimes unfairly. DAOs, totally transparent, totally decentralized. Every vote, every decision, every transaction is visible for everyone to see. It's democracy, but turbocharged with blockchain tech. No more office drama or secret deals, just rules, community, and automation. Examples of DAOs. DAOs can manage almost anything. Crypto communities use them to decide which projects to fund. NFT communities use them to vote on collaborations or events. Charities use them to decide how to spend donations fairly. And because everything is on-chain, the decisions are automatic, instant, and trustworthy. Think of it like a global club run by robots that actually listens to people. Benefits and challenges. Of course, DAOs aren't perfect. They rely on good code and active participation. Bugs in smart contracts can cause problems, and if members don't vote, the DAO might not make decisions efficiently. But the benefits? Total transparency, democratized power, global collaboration, and no single person calling all the shots. It's like giving everyone a superpower, but in a responsible, code-driven way. So that's a DAO in a nutshell. Decentralized, automated, and powered by the community. If you want more fun, Stickman-powered explanations of crypto, blockchain, and the future of organizations, hit subscribe and join the Stickman revolution. Who knew learning about futuristic organizations could be this fun?